So as you can see, the headphones are high resolution and they offer spatial radio, but they have a significant price premium over the Apple model. As you can see, the AirPod Max is only around, you know, dollar 549, but this one is around 1,549. So it's like $1,000 higher. And if we head over to Reddit to hear from actual people's review, this guy says, my wife has AirPod Max and I have the H100. It is better because of the general sound quality and everything, things like that. As you can see, another person agrees that the H100 is a beast, things like that. And then another guy says the same thing. See, these are two different people, but they say that it is a beast, things like that. So yeah, obviously the H100 wins over Apple Maxes. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.